Hey, subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to ring that bell. When you ring that bell, you get all my recipes right away, including today's recipe. A curry, a Thai curry. Woo! Wonderful. The main ingredient in this curry, butternut squash. Wonderful. Butternut squash is available all year long. So you find in your grocery store in the produce section. Good stuff. Tastes like pumpkin. Good stuff. Very nice to curry. Okay, so get a good strong peeler. And then, gotta peel this skin off. And now, you see here, over here it's like a tube, right? That's solid. In here, this bulb, that's where the seeds are. So I'm going to separate the two. Cut the seed part in half. Hey, see what I'm talking about? Seeds in there. Hey, you can take a spoon and just scrape those seeds out. That'll work just fine. There you go. I want to dice this up by a 1/2 inch dice. So I cut. By a 1/2 inch. Half inch. Hey, this is a little harder because it's a weird kind of shape. Just do the best you can. Okay, now we got to deal with this end. A little bit easier because it's solid. Okay, cut a 1/2 inch, then cut it a 1/2 inch. And cut it a 1/2 inch. It's a beautiful large dice. Look at that. Hey, now I gotta tell you something. In most grocery stores, you can buy it peeled and diced already. So you don't have to do the work. I like doing the work. Makes me feel special. Okay. Let's season this and roast it. Okay, I added 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon of fresh black pepper. Okay, I have this sheet pan. Just give a quick spray so nothing sticks. Put the butternut squash on. Put it a single layer. It cooks nice and evenly. Okay, beautiful. Okay, my oven's set at 350. Preheated. Gotta preheat the oven. I put it in, I'm going to check it in a 1/2 hour. It may take more like 40 minutes. I want it just barely cooked. Gonna be delicious. Gonna smell the whole house of butternut squash. Wonderful. Okay, so it's been about 40 minutes and the butternut squash is done. Beautiful. Check it out. There you go. Just nicely cooked. Okay, so now I'm going to make the curry. Really, really easy. Very simple. This is if you think curry, like, oh, I can't make curry, it's too difficult. No. This is really easy. Check this out. Okay, I'm using this tagine. See, it's got this nice, like, dome lid, beautiful. I don't know if I'm going to need the dome lid so much, but I like the bottom. It's very heavy, cast iron, beautiful. I'm going to use about 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. Not too much, just enough so I can saute some onion and pepper and garlic. I have here 1 medium-sized onion and 1 medium-sized red pepper. I'm going to start sauteing that. Ooh, you hear that noise? That's the noise of cooking. Now, I don't want to add any color to this. I just want to cook it without adding any color to it. Okay, the onions and red peppers are nice and soft. And we're going to add 4 cloves of garlic, chopped, pretty fine. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger. Alright, this is good. This is a ginger paste, okay? I use this all the time. And the reason why I use it, no waste. If you use fresh ginger, I use a small piece, then I don't use it again for a week. I have to throw the rest away. So this, no waste, stays in a nice tube, very nice. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of this. Ooh, this smells nice. Okay, make sure it doesn't brown, especially now, because you don't want to brown the garlic and the ginger. It's going to get bitter. A Thai red curry paste. Wonderful stuff. Inside comes in a bag. Yeah, take the bag out, cut the corner, and squeeze out what I want. Very handy stuff. It's delicious. It's a little bit spicy. It's got all the spices in it already. That's what makes it so easy. Very nice. Okay, that's what it looks like. I'm using a 1/4 cup. Okay, now I'm going to add 2 cans of coconut milk. Make sure you use coconut milk, not coconut cream. Leche de coco, that's coconut milk. This is a 13.5 ounce can. Use 2 of them. Woo, that's nice. Okay, just to balance it out a little bit, we're going to need 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to finish it off with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Okay, I'm going to scrape in all that butternut squash. Ooh. I take out about a cup of some sauce and the butternut squash. I'm going to put that in a blender. So, nice. Now it's nice and thick. It has a nice flavor. Beautiful. Give it a nice stir. Look at that. That looks great. Hey, don't forget to give it a little taste. Nice. Wow, that's good. Okay, so I love to serve this with some jasmine rice. I want to make it eat. Listen, I can cook jasmine rice. It's not a problem. But sometimes, look, it's a Wednesday night here. I like to do things nice and easy. Okay. Now, the easiest thing I have, success rice. Okay. There's a reason why I have my glasses on. I gotta read something on the box. Okay. The ingredients, and this is why I like to use success rice. Check this out. You see that? Ingredients. Jasmine rice. That's it. Hey, it comes in these bags, okay? I dropped the bag in boiling water. 10 minutes. Rice comes out perfect. Very nice. So, I like to serve this with some rice, and this is how I do it. Ooh, check that out. That's beautiful. A nice amount of this curry right in the middle of the plate. Ooh, looks good. Hey, I fill up that ramekin. I push it down a little bit. Then I put it right on top of the curry. Just like that. I gotta finish this curry with a little lime juice, okay? But I'm not gonna squeeze the lime juice on the curry. I'm gonna let the customer do that. Woo! That's fabulous, okay? Just like that. Don't forget, a little bit of garnish, right? I got here some chopped scallion. Hey, you can use chopped cilantro if you want. I like scallion. A little chopped scallion over there. Beautiful. How's that? It looks awesome. Hey, you know what else is awesome? I have a video. Eggplant meatball in a curry sauce. It's delicious. You gotta check that out. If you like curry, you like this, you'll love that. Another easy recipe. Hey, this recipe is not too difficult, right? Very easy. You're gonna impress people though. It's delicious. I'm gonna eat this up. It's gonna be wonderful. Okay, so I'll see you at the next video.